Well, as you can see, the criminals are out full force. Had a huge plume come over us this morning. They're trying to hold back the cold, which is not happening. It's in the 50s right now. Fresh, crisp. The air. They're harping the hell out of the place. See off to the west and south there was huge clouds that looked like it was going to dump a bunch of snow. They're harping the hell out of the place, hitting us good. Criminal weather manipulation. These people just don't learn. You can't beat Mother Nature, so leave it alone. You're only going to do yourself in.